In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F05 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening settings and hitting display. Then tap on font size and style. Hit font style and tap on one of those fonts. Or to try something more interesting, select font style and hit download fonts to install one of those by clicking on download button next to a perfect one, or clicking on it, choosing install and going back. Either way, when your new style is ready, go back to the list and tap on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!